Google just dropped the Pixel 10 and it might just be the smartest smartphone on the planet right now. But can it actually beat the iPhone? Today we're diving deep into everything Pixel 10 has to offer. The Pixel 10 comes in sleek new colors with an OLED display that's brighter than ever, up to 3,300 nits on Pro models. It feels premium in the hand, lightweight, and Google claims the build quality is built to last, with stronger materials and better water resistance. If you love watching videos or scrolling through content, this screen is a joy. Powered by Google's Tensor G5 chip, the Pixel 10 runs Android 16 and packs AI tools you won't find anywhere else. Magic Q helps you get context-aware suggestions instantly. Real-time voice translation now even replicates your own voice. Camera Coach and Ask Photos let you take better shots and edit on the fly. This is where Pixel 10 tries to outsmart the iPhone. It's more than just speed, it's about smart assistance and AI features built into everyday tasks. Google has stepped up the camera game big time. The base Pixel 10 now has a 5A telephoto lens, previously only on Pro models, while the Pixel 10 Pro offers up to 100A digital zoom and 8K recording. Night shots, portraits, and AI-powered edits are insane. Honestly, iPhone users might feel jealous. Battery life is improved with faster wired and wireless charging for the Pro models. The Pixel 10 Foldable adds Qi 2 magnetic charging and promises endurance even after thousands of folds. So no more worrying about running out of juice during the day. Now here's the big question. Does it beat iPhone? Pixel 10's AI features like real-time voice translation and camera give it an edge for creative users. iPhone may still excel in ecosystem and app support, but for smart AI and photography, Pixel 10 is arguably leading. Long software support, 7 years of updates is another big win. So should you buy the Pixel 10? If you love AI tools, photography, and a smarter phone experience, this is one of the best options on the market right now. It might not replace iPhone for everyone, but it's definitely making iPhone users nervous. Hit like if you found this review useful, comment your thoughts, and subscribe for more tech updates.